Hello and welcome back for another saxophone tutorial from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play the last piece in the book for grade 3 saxophone. Please note that this is the 18 to 21 syllabus and that you can use these pieces for the whole of 2022, which is great if you need a bit more time on the pieces. And great that also my pieces are going to be relevant for the whole of next year, all that work on the videos that I did. So we're going to play Fish and Chips by Karen Street. I think this is a great study to play actually. You can't beat Karen Street studies, can you? They're just so, I don't know, they just sound so nice. Okay, so you've heard the music. Let's say a few words about the detail and what you need to bring out to make this sound really great. Now, no exception, this is it. I think as well as all the other Karen Street pieces that you come across, this is another happy little tune that just fits really nicely on the instrument. I think this is probably my favourite to do with pupils in the book. It fits nicely on a nice easy D major key, and it's just one of those melodies that you can get, that pupils can get into their head quite easily. Just a note on that first bar, just watch that, it sounds ever so simple, but you'd be surprised. Just watch that A and the F sharp, just watch that you go down to that really accurately and you get a nice clean A to F sharp on that very first bar. And really sort of articulate that A as a really separate note there, so you can really hear the da dee da dee da da da. So really nice, neat tonguing on that A. And again, a bit like other pieces, I like these ones that just start off with a nice big sort of confident sound. So just really go for it, get the sound through there. And wait till the third line to bring your volume down a bit. And then you'll notice there's a dynamic change on the third line, so try and come down there, because that is really one of the few moments in the piece where you can just show some good dynamic contrasts. So third line. So really come down for the whole of that, but try and keep the detail in there too. And then play with a sort of a surprising new sound at bar 15. So there's no crescendo to that point. It's just an instantly sort of back to forte sound. And then really come down for that last line. See if you can start off nice and quietly. Yeah, so we'll do that again. So this is certainly the one that I've been doing with my pupils more than the other two. I just think the tune is a little bit easier to sort of get on with, and it sounds really happy. Okay, so I'm going to do a practice track for you to play along with. I'm going to play it a little bit under tempo at 96 BPM. See if you can play along with me and keep you in a really steady fixed time. And if you can get this right, then you can speed it up for the exam and maybe even try and play along with the performance version that you heard at the start of the video. Here we go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're in with me and the metronome. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I hope you found that useful with the metronome. As I said before, if you can play it along with that speed at a really steady tempo, then it should be quite easy to just notch up the speed a little bit when it gets close to your exam time. So I think that's it for PHISH and Chips, PHISH and Chips by Cowan Street. I hope you're doing really well with grade 3. Of course, click that like button and let me know how you're getting on with grade 3 in the comment section. That's it for this one. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.